How to recover banned WhatsApp account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can recover banned WhatsApp accounts, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to recover banned WhatsApp account, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is, let's say you open WhatsApp, it says that your account has been banned. You can simply appeal the ban by following the on-screen instructions as a pop-up page or whatever. But if you don't see those options to appeal your ban, you can simply open your browser, go to whatsapp.com/contact. Again, I repeat, whatsapp.com/contact. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Over here, select what kind of WhatsApp you use, whether business or messenger. I select WhatsApp Messenger because it's my personal account, and tap on Contact Us. Now under it, over here you can see, to better assist you, contact us from your phone. So all you have to do is you can simply make sure to enter your phone number here. Once you enter your phone number, enter your email and re-enter your email address just to confirm it. After you've done that, you can simply select on what platform you use WhatsApp, and now in the message box below, just let WhatsApp know that it was a ban by mistake. You're not really sure why they banned your account. You are sure that you didn't violate any of WhatsApp community guidelines and so on. Once you've done that, hit the next step button. If WhatsApp thinks it's actually appealable, they're going to remove the ban for you. This way you'll be able to recover your banned WhatsApp account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.